We're going to review the top 5 best floating chlorine dispensers, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Game Derby Duck. If you're looking for a fun pool companion, the Game Derby Duck can't be beat. It can hold up to 5 tabs, for consistent cleaning without much maintenance on your end. Plus, it has a solar-powered light that illuminates at dusk for added ambiance. This chlorine dispenser for hot tubs and pools is solar-powered. The solar panels charge the LED lights during the day, then automatically activate at dusk for up to 8 hours of brilliant light with a full charge. Number 2. PoolSupplyTown Atie 90446. The PoolSupplyTown Atie 90446 is a set-and-forget option that allows you to adjust the chemical release based on the amount of water you need to treat. It is affordably priced, but some may not like the bowling ball-style holes used to open the lid. These floating character dispensers are made of non-corrosive polypropylene and come with a telescoping chlorine control ring for easy adjustments to the level of chlorine dispensed into the water. Number 3. This 2-in-1 pool chemical dispenser floater with built-in thermometer is great for holding chemical tablets and for reading the temperature in your pool. Poolmaster Chlorine Critter. The Poolmaster Chlorine Critter adds some personality to your pool, while helping to keep it sparkling clean. You can choose from a realistic duck, butterfly, or alligator design to do the work for you as you sit back and enjoy the day. Number 4. Aquatix Pro. For a simple way to maintain your pool without spending a lot of money, look to the Aquatix Pro. It features a child-proof cap that locks securely to keep curious kids out, and is built from high-quality plastic that will stand the test of time. Aquatix Pro Chlorine Tablet Dispenser floats around diffusing chemical tablets effortlessly. If you are not happy for any reason, simply contact us for a complete refund, no questions asked. Full 1-year guarantee on all our products. Number 5. Sunken Treasure SUN-TR-LBI. Technically the Sunken Treasure SUN-TR-LBI, around $30, is not a floating dispenser, as it only rises to the surface when it is empty, not while it is working. That being said, many people will appreciate that it doesn't release fumes into the air. While other chlorine dispensers are cheaply made and quickly break, leak, sink and fail, the Sunken Treasure chlorine dispenser lasts for many years and uses half the chlorine to clean your pool water more effectively. If you are not fully satisfied, you may return it for a full refund. Just contact us if there is a problem,